हेलो नमस्ते। मैं हूं अनुष्का चांडक, आपकी कथक इंस्ट्रक्टर, एंड वेलकम बैक टू अनदर कथक ट्यूटोरियल. Today's class is all about going back to our basics. We are going to solidify our foundation. कई सारी छोटी छोटी डिटेल्स होती है कथक की या सेमी क्लासिकल की, जिसको हमें मसल मेमोरी बनाने की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है, so that everything we do later on is built on an extremely strong foundation. आगे बढ़ने से पहले let me remind you once again that if you are even a little bit curious about Kathak or semi-classical and are interested in taking online classes, please to get in touch with us with the WhatsApp number given below. Today's lesson is about how to hold a mudra in an Utpatti position. Utpatti position is the home position of Kathak, hence you most definitely need to know some basic tips and tricks that will help you make this mudra with a lot of ease. Now, I don't claim that there is only one way of making a mudra, but with a lot of trial and error, with a lot of research and experience, I have come to a conclusion that there can be a few things that you can do to make it look more graceful and more beautiful. First of all, if you are at all holding your mudra like this, it might not be the best way, because when I see a big hole, a big loop in your hand, my attention immediately goes to that loop and not exactly your entire hand. What you need to do is push your thumb inside and curl up the index finger around it. बेसिकली ये जो बड़ा सा होल आपको दिख रहा है, उसे आपको फ्लैटन अप करने की जरूरत है. नाउ पॉइंट नंबर 2. If you are holding your mudra like this, it might take a little more effort on your part to keep holding it like this. For me, I feel a lot of strain in my hand, and also the grace aspect of Kathak is somewhere lost, at least for me, when you hold it straight like this. If you want it to be a little more effortless, make sure that your hands and especially your fingers are relaxed. You feel comfortable while you hold the Utpatti. You don't have to do anything differently or put an extra effort in the home position of Kathak. Now, point number 3. How can you make it look even more beautiful? What I have understood is that you have to first of all follow the basic principle of Kathak, which is fingers together. जब भी हम कोई movement करते हैं, तो mostly our fingers are together. That is one of the basic principles. But also, when you're doing the same thing while holding a mudra, your hand might look a little too stiff, like we said in the earlier point. Hence, what you can do is keep the base of the fingers together while spreading them out from the tip of the fingers. जब मैं मुद्रा को पकड़ती हूँ, तब मेरी उंगली के 3 अलग अलग पॉइंट्स मुझे डिस्टिंक्टली दिखाई देते हैं, which makes it look even more beautiful. It's like blossoming of a flower. Each finger is a different petal and treat it like one. बहुत नजाकत के साथ आप उसको यहाँ पर होल्ड कर सकते हैं. लास्टली, जब आप उत्पत्ति पकड़ते हैं, तब आपके पूरे बॉडी की अलाइनमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करती है. Hence, first of all, remember that your elbows always face side to side. अगर इसमें कोई भी एंगल का डिफरेंस आता है, तो आपकी उंगलियों की डायरेक्शन में भी वो रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा. Hence, make sure that it is side to side only. Don't change the level of your elbows either. It has to make one straight line that passes from the center of your chest. दूसरी बात, आपकी कलाई क्या करती है, ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. अगर आपने आपके कलाई के थ्रू उसे स्ट्रेन कर दिया, तो वो ऊपर चला जाएगा, और अगर आपकी कलाई उसे ड्रॉप कर देती है, तो उंगलियां नीचे फेस करने लगेंगी. What we need to remember is that दोनों हाथों की उंगलियां एक दूसरे को फेस करती है at all times. Hence, we have to also very mindfully place our elbow as well as our risks while making an utpatti. There you go. Here are a few tips from my end on how you can refine your कथक ट्रेनिंग फर्दर. ये कुछ बेसिक एलिमेंट्स है जो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, लेकिन honestly I have a lot more to share with you, and hence if you are really interested in learning Kathak, please do consider getting in touch with us. I'll see you in the next tutorial, and तब तक के लिए keep dancing.